Welcome to the second stage of this complete and concise forex trading course by PIPSDIMENSION. Here, I'll be giving you tutorials on how to use the functional features of the MetaTrader 4 to perform your trading activities. So at the end, you can actively use the features on the trading platform to perform your technical analysis and also make your buy and sell orders. After that, on the chart window, I'll be showing you how to identify some useful chart patterns and some useful candlestick patterns. I'll be showing you how to apply the Fibonacci tool on the chart and then the use of some technical indicators. Alright, the other different trading platforms apart from the MetaTrader 4, we also have MetaTrader 5. So that is an advanced version of the MetaTrader 4. We have NinjaTrader, TradingView, Pro Real Time, among others. But in this tutorial, I'll be using the MetaTrader 4 because it is easy to use and that makes it more appropriate for beginners. Besides, it is provided by almost all forex brokers. It is featured with the useful tools and indicators for your technical analysis, and it is free of charge. Now, before you can get on the trading platform, you need to create an account with a forex broker. After that, you go to their website and download the MT4. They also offer you the mobile app version. So I'll be giving you tutorials on both the PC and the mobile versions. But for a beginner, it is advisable to start practicing on the PC version for more convenience. Now, let us open the MT4 and log in into our trading account. Alright, to log in, click on the connection area at the right bottom corner of the trading platform. Enter your account ID, your trading password, and the server name provided by the forex broker. Good. This is the interface of the MT4 trading platform. Now, let us look at the general features on this interface. Here is the chart window, which displays the changes in prices of the currency pair along with the time period. So you see, this is the chart for the euro-dollar pair. This is the chart for the pound-dollar pair. You can maximize any of these charts to get a clearer view. And this is the market watch, displaying a list of currency pairs in the forex market along with their respective bid and ask prices. This toolbar is made up of objects, indicators, and other various options for your analysis. This navigator here gives you something like a tree to navigate through your sequential actions. At the bottom here, we have the terminal, which displays your trading orders, both the trades that are still running and the pending orders. It also gives you information on your account history, news, market, where you can purchase some indicators, among others. To open a chart of a currency pair, let's say the Euro Pound, right-click the Euro Pounds from the list on the Market Watch and select Chart Window from the pop-up menu. Sometimes you may not find the list of all the currency pairs in the market. In that case, you have to click on the space on the Market Watch and select Show All from the pop-up menu to display the full list of the currency pairs. And you can manually select some hidden commodities that are not currently showing in the Market Watch. To do that, right-click on the Market Watch window and then select Symbols from the pop-up menu. After that, you have a display of other commodities such as the cryptos, energies, indices, stocks. Okay. For instance, if you want to trade a different commodity like the US oil, oil falls under the energy category, so you select the energies. Then you select the US oil to be displayed among the current legs on the Market Watch. Okay, you may like to change the appearance of the chart window for your convenience. To do that, right-click on the chart and select Properties from the pop-up menu. And then you have the chance to make changes in the color scheme and others like the background color, the foreground color. For me, I would like to maintain the background color and the foreground color as white. Perhaps I'm only interested in my candlesticks, so I'll change my bull candle to gold and then my bear candle to something like the blue violet. Also, I like to make changes in the bar up and the bar down colors so that they can match the colors of my bull and the bear candles respectively. So you can make some changes here according to your own preference. After that, you click on OK to have a whole new appearance of your chart. At the top on this toolbar, you can also change the candlestick chart to the bar chart or the line chart. But in these tutorials and technical analysis, we are going to apply more of the candlestick charts. After you have successfully made changes in your chart appearance, you can save it as a template so that you can easily apply the same appearance on a different chart. To do that, you right-click on the chart, select template, and then you click on Save Template. Here you can save it with any name of your preference. For me, I would like to save it as Fresh Setup. After that, I'll click Save. Okay. So now it's easy to apply the same appearance on a different chart. Just right click on the chart and then you select templates. Now you select from the list of the names the one you used to save. For me, I use Fresh Setup, so I'll click on Fresh Setup and then yes, the new chart has changed to my preferred appearance. You can also change the time frame. The time frame is simply the period it takes for the formation of every candlestick on the chart. So if you select the 1 hour time frame, it means each candlestick represents the price action within a 1 hour period. 4 hour time frame means that each candlestick on the chart represents the price action within a period of 4 hours. So you would like to change the time frame according to the trading style you are using, depending on whether you're a scalper or you're a day trader, swing trader, or a position trader. That will determine the time frame you'll be using most in your technical analysis. So in a nutshell, what I mean here is that for 1 hour time frame, each candlestick represents 1 hour of price action. For 4 hours time frame, each candlestick represents 4 hours of price action. So the trading platform features from the 1 minute time frame up to the monthly time frame. So to change the time frame, you quickly go to the toolbar up here and select the time frame you prefer. Alternatively, you can right click on the chart and move your cursor to select the time frame on the pop-up menu. On the chart, you might want to look at the price action in the past, especially when you want to backtest with your trading strategy. To do that, just click and drag the chart backwards. But sometimes in the process, you realize that the chart automatically scrolls forward again whenever there is a new change in the current price. You can deactivate this automatic scrolling by clicking on the scroll to end option on the toolbar. You can also select the option next to that to shift the end of the chart from the right border. The platform provides various objects for making technical analysis. For example, with the crosshair cursor, you can click and drag to select the difference between 2 points on the chart. And there appear 3 numbers. The first number represents the number of periods or the number of candlesticks within the 2 selected points on the chart. The second number represents the difference in the number of pips between the 2 selected points. This is written in a fractional pips known as the pipet. So to know the number of pips, you just ignore the last digit. For example, if you see 573, it means that the difference between the 2 selected points is 57 pips and 3 pipettes. And the last number is the price at which your mouse cursor is from the start of the crosshair. So on the toolbar, you can access some other objects like the trend lines, Fibonacci, among others, for your technical analysis. Moreover, you can make changes in the kind of object to be displayed on your toolbar. Just right-click on your toolbar and select Customize. So from the pop-up menu here, I can decide to select some new objects to be displayed on the toolbar. For instance, let me select this object, trend line by angle. After that, I click on Insert. Also, if you don't want to see any object on your toolbar, you can just select the object from the list here and then you click Remove. MT4 also provides various indicators that can assist you in your technical analysis to make more correct predictions in the market. To apply an indicator on your chart, you can select the indicator options on the toolbar. Okay, here I'm going to apply the 200 simple moving average indicator. So I'll click on the indicators option, select trend, click on moving average, and then in the options here, I enter 200 period among other features, and after everything, I click OK and the indicator is applied on my chart. Now, you can view your applied indicators from the indicator list options, and then you can decide to make modification or even delete the ones that you no longer want to see on the chart. Now, let us go to the most important objective for these tutorials on the trading platform: how to place a buy or a sell order. First of all, you need to make sure you have opened the chart of the currency pair you want to trade. Now, to place your order, you select the new order option on the toolbar. And then you select the volume or the lot size you want to use for the trade. So you can see from these options a list of different lot sizes, from the standard lot to the mini lot to the micro lot sizes. Okay, as we learned from the beginner lessons, 1.0 means one standard lot size, which represents 100,000 units. So if you choose this one standard lot size, that means every pip that you make or you lose is going to be multiplied by 100,000, and the value will be converted into your trading currency and added onto your account. With that said, 2.0 represents the 2 standard lot, which is 200,000 units. You can also see from the list here mini lot sizes, that is in the first decimal places. 0.1 represents 1 mini lot size, and that is 10,000 units. 0.2 represents 2 mini lot sizes, and that is 20,000 units. And we can also see the micro lot sizes, which represent 1,000 units. So 0.01 represents 1 micro lot, that is 1,000 units. 0.03 represents 3 micro lots, and that is 3,000 units. So here you choose wisely according to the trading capital in your account. For example, if you have a trading capital of 1,000 and you select one standard lot size here, that means every pip change is going to be $10. In that case, if you lose 100 pips or you gain 100 pips, that will be equivalent to gaining or losing $1,000. So it will not be prudent to choose a standard lot size for a $1,000 account. 100 pips is easy to gain or lose on a currency pair in just a day or two. So if you are choosing a standard lot size for a $1,000 account, it means you are risking losing all your capital in just a day or a two. And this turns out to be more risky. But if the trade goes in your favor and you are making profits, you can just make $1,000 profit with just 100 pips move. So it's like you risk more to gain more, but it is not advisable to be risking more. No. Proper risk management or money management goes with reducing your risk on every trade that you take. With regards to that, for a $1,000 account, it is more appropriate to use a mini lot size, or better still, a micro lot size for a single trade. in that case, it's like you raise less to get less, and that is a proper way to trade in the forex market, because that will give you more room for trading opportunities in the market. But the good thing here is that if you have a profitable trading strategy, you can be risking less with small amount of lot sizes, but at the end of the day, you can gain more profits on top of your account. I'll be giving you more guide on this in the advanced lessons of this course. After selecting the lot size, you also have to select the type of trading order, that is whether it is the instant market order or a pending order. If you select the instant market order, that means you are going to buy or sell at the current available market price here. After that, you can then set your stop loss target and your take profit target, enter the instant order. Remember, we buy to make profit when the price rises above your entry level, and then we sell and make profit when the price falls below your entry level. Now, I'm going to be talking about the pending orders. That is the limit orders and the stop orders. So usually we use the pending orders when we want to be away from our trading platform. So we set the pending orders so that the trade can automatically trigger even when we are offline. We use the buy limit order when we want to enter our entry price at a level that is below the current market price. So for instance, you make your trading analysis and per your prediction, the price will start going up after hitting this level below the current price here. In that case, you have to select the buy limit order option, then you set your volume and the stop loss, take profit, and then you enter the pending order. So this trade will not be triggered until the price moves to hit your entry level that you have set. After your buy limit order is triggered, you'll be making profit as the price goes up above your entry price, and similar goes for the sell limit order. We already know that we make profit on a sell limit order when the price falls below our entry level. But we use the sell limit order option when we want to set our entry price at a level that is above the current market price, so that we expect the price to move up to hit our entry level, and then when it bounces back down, we can be making profit since it is a sell trade. Now, the pending stop orders is opposite of the limit orders. In this case, so when do we use a buy stop order? For instance, per your predictions by your trading analysis, you realize when the current price moves from the down here to a level up here, it's going to continue upwards, which means you would like to buy at this level at the top, but maybe you would like to enter a pending order so that automatically the trade will trigger even if you are offline. So what you do is you enter this higher price in the buy stop order option. After that, if the price moves up to your entry level, it will automatically trigger even if you are offline. And then when it continues upwards, since it's a buy order option, you're making profit. On the other hand, we use the sell stop order option when we want to set our entry point at a level that is below the current market price, so that when the trade moves down to hit our entry point and continues downwards, we'll be making profit. Okay, after you have successfully placed an order, whether it is a pending order or an instant order, you can view the feedback of your trading order on the terminal down here. Alright, so now that you know the functional features of the MT4 on the PC version, let me take you through the similar features on the mobile version. So over here, you can find the list of the currency pairs in the market. So to open a currency pair, you tap on it and then you select Open Chart from the pop-up menu. So you can use the icon which looks like a clock at the top here to change the time frames of the charts. If you want to select an indicator for your chart, you can use this chart here and you can view all the indicators on the trading platform. To make a selection of a technical object, you tap and hold the chart and then you select this icon right here to display the list of all the objects on the trading platform. To make a trading order, You use the plus sign at the top right corner here. So here you have the instant order execution and the other various pending orders. Thank you for your time and have a successful trading experience.